picking for Joe. What name is there on there? Michael. Okay, Joe, Michael. Now Annabelle's going to pick. This is for Jake. What's the name? Caroline.
Now you, Mommy.
Now we're going to have Zola pick again. Zola's picking for Katie. And it says Katie. Okay, she's going to have to try again. Zola, pick another one.
And then me.
Zola, pick another one.
Then me.
Zola, pick another name.
Maybe you'll have to get Annabelle to help her out.
Okay, which one does that say? Zola. Okay.
Now me again?
Yep, pick for Caroline. So here, we need to put the names out that have already been picked. Let me see. Annabelle.
Yes!
Okay. Now we need to pick for Michael.
I
Okay.
will.
It says Joe.
Aww.
Okay. Now you have to pick for Johnny. What does it say? Jake.
What does this say?
That says Zola. We don't need that.
Oh.
Are you eating a name, Zola? Okay, now you have to pick for Annabelle. What does it say? Caroline. Okay, now pick for Zola. It says Katie.
Aw. Now pick for Zola. Pick for Zola. Pick for Zola.
Wait a minute. Let's pick for Annabelle again. What's the last name? Because we did Caroline got in the mix twice. Johnny.
Yay!